Hello friends, meet again with Miss Monique. Today is Wednesday, 3rd of March 2021. We will learn creative art and we're going to make sailboat.
You need paper plate, scissors, glue, ice cream stick, foam art, ruler, and pencil. Okay friends, are you ready? Let's start now. First step, you should fold the paper plate, and then after that, please cut the paper plate into two. The second step, make a line to form a right triangle on the foam art with ruler and pencil. After that, please cut into two. The third step, please color the gray side on the paper plate with crayon or paint. The fourth step, put some glue and paste on the white side. Put some glue on the right triangle and paste on the ice cream stick. Okay friends, the sailboat is done. Thank you for your attention. See you on the next video. Goodbye.